morning students. So we have started this chapter, surface area and volume of 3D shapes. In that we have started the exercise 22.1. So far I have discussed the questions till question number 8. Now let's discuss this question number 10. So in this it is given that a water reservoir is 22 meter long, 16 meter width and 10 meter high, and we have to find the cost of cementing its floor and 4 walls. So first of all we have to calculate area of 4 walls plus area of floor. Okay, so as we were discussing when we are discussing about the formula, so area of 4 walls you already knew, it is 2 into H into L plus B. This was the formula. Plus if you see carefully, this is the reservoir and it is its floor. So it was L and it was B. So what we have to do, we have to cement this floor. So we will include the area of this floor and it will be L into B. Okay, so we will not use the whole formula of surface area because in that formula the top is also included. So but what we have to do in this, we have to cement the 4 walls as well as floor. So this is the area of 4 walls, 2 into H into L plus B, and this is the area of floor. This will be the floor. Now we will put the values. So it is 2 into H is 10, 22 plus 16 plus L into B, that is 22 into 16. So when we calculate, so finally this will get meter square. Okay, so this much area has to be cemented. Now cost is rupees 19 per meter square. So cost of 1 meter square is rupees 19, and we have to cement this much. So cost of 112 meter square will be 19 into 112. So that is 21,128 rupees. So this will be the cost of cementing its 4 walls as well as floor. Now in question number 12, it is asked, we have to find the total surface area of the cuboids. So it is given that L is 24 centimeter, B is 18 centimeter and H is 16 centimeter. And what we have to find? We have to find the total surface area. So first we will write the formula of total surface area, that is 2 LB plus BH plus LH. Then we will put the values, 24 into 18 plus 18 into 16 plus 24 into 16. Okay, so after a little bit of simplification, okay, so we have calculated this. So it will be 1104. Then multiply 2 by 1104, you will get 2208 centimeter square. So this is how you can find the total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, let's then see. Let's question number 14. So in question number 14, what is given? A hall is 17.5 meter long. So dimensions of hall is given as length is 17.5 meter. Then it is breadth of hall is 12.5 meter and height of hall is 15 meter. Okay, so these are the given. Then inside it there are two doors. So dimension of door is given. L is 8 meter and breadth is 3.5 meter and thickness is not been included. Then there are windows. So dimensions of windows is also there. Okay, so in the hall there are two doors and three windows. So dimensions are 4 into 3.5 meter. Now we have to whitewash the walls. We have to find the cost of whitewashing the walls at 60 paisa per square meter. So cost is given as 60 paisa per square meter. Okay. So whenever we do the whitewash, we never do the whitewash on the windows and on the door. So what we will do, first we will calculate the area of two doors. Those two doors area we have to calculate. So that is 2 into, and what is the length and breadth? 8 into 3.5. So it will give you 56 meter square. This will be the area of two doors. Then we will calculate area of three windows are there. So it is 3 into, area is 4 into 3.5, 42 meter square. Okay. Now we will calculate area of 4 walls, because on that only we have to do the whitewash. So what is the formula? 2 into H into L plus B. So when we put the values, we will get height is 15 and L is 17.5 into 12.5. So it becomes 30 into, this is also how much? 30. 900 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of 4 walls. Now area to be whitewash. So that area will be area of 4 walls minus these two areas, that is area of the doors plus area of the walls, because it is given that we have to do the whitewash only on the walls and we will not do any whitewash on the doors and the window. So these two areas has to be deducted from this area. So that will give you 900 minus 98. Eight zero 802 meter square. Okay, then cost of white washing we have to calculate. So cost of white washing will be how much? 802 into, I will take it as 0.60, okay, or 0.6 paisa. So it will give you 481 rupees. 481 rupees and 20 paisa. Okay, so what we have to calculate? area to be whitewashed, and we have to do the whitewash on the walls. These 2 doors and 3 windows were there. So after calculating their areas, we will add them. Then we will calculate area of 4 walls. Then you have to subtract these areas from the area of 4 walls. So you will get 802 meter square. Then multiply this 802 meter square by 60 paisa. So you will get the answer in terms of rupees. Then coming to the last question, find the area of 4 walls of a room whose length is 7.5 meter, breadth is 4.5 meter and height is 3 meter. So we will simply use the formula of area of 4 walls, 2 into h L plus b, that is 2 into 3 into 7.5 into 4.5. So it is 6 into 12, that is 72 meters square. So this is the area of 4 walls. Then what we have to calculate, also find the cost of plastering its floor, ceiling and 4 walls. So what we have to calculate in the second part, area to be plastered. So that will be how much? Area of 4 walls plus area of floor plus area of ceiling. Okay, these were the areas. So area of 4 walls we have calculated 72, and floor and ceiling will be having the same area. So this we will write LB plus LB. So 72 plus 2 into L into B. So that is okay. So this much will be the area to be plastered. Then we have to calculate cost. So cost of 1 meter square is rupees 12. Okay, so total cost which will be 12 into 139.5. ₹1674. So this will be the total cost. This will be the total cost of plastering 1674 rupees. So this is the end of this exercise. Then we will start with the next exercise in the next video.